everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change currency in paper trading on TradingView. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon TradingView application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TradingView application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the watch list interface. So if you want to change the currency, first of all, tap on the chart option that you can see on the screen. Make sure you're connected to the paper trading. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the chart interface. Usually you'll be able to see the currency that is selected right now at the top right corner of your screen. If you do not see the currency over here, simply tap on the gear icon that you can see on the chart interface. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the option More Settings. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find the settings for scales and lines. Over here in the section for price scale, at first you'll be able to find the option for currency and unit. Right now visible on tab is selected, so simply tap on that field. Now tap on the option always visible. Now tap on the OK option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the currency that is selected right now at the top right corner of your screen. So if you want to change that, simply tap on that currency. Now you'll be able to find several currencies over here. Simply tap on the currency that you want to use. Now you can see over here the currency has been changed. So that is how you change currency in paper trading on TradingView. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.